Credit cards scare a lot of people. Debt, interest, bad decisions. But here's the truth. Credit cards aren't the problem. Using them the wrong way is. Today, I'll show you how to use credit cards the smart way in 2026. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If you're new to credit cards, this video is for you. I'll walk you through credit cards step by step, no jargon, no stress. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use one without ruining your finances. Step 1. Understand what a credit card really is. A credit card is not free money. It's a short-term loan. When you swipe, the bank pays. You pay them back later. Pay on time and you build credit. Don't, and it costs you money. Step 2. Start with the right first card. As a beginner, keep it simple. No annual fee. No fancy rewards. Look for a starter or secured credit card. These are designed to help you build credit safely. Step 3. Use your card like a debit card. Only spend money you already have. Treat your credit card like cash. Groceries, gas, phone bills. Never swipe for something you can't pay off this month. Step 4. Pay the full balance every month. This is the golden rule. Not the minimum. Not most of it. The full amount. Do this, and you'll never pay interest. Step 5. Keep your balance low. Try to use less than 30% of your limit. If your limit is $500, keep spending under $150. Lower is even better. This helps your credit score grow faster. Step 6. Set up auto pay. Late payments hurt your credit. So don't rely on memory. Set auto pay for the full balance. One missed payment can undo months of progress. Step 7. Be patient and let time work. Credit building takes time. You don't need multiple cards right away. One card used well is enough. After 6 to 12 months, your score will improve naturally. Bonus step: avoid these beginner mistakes. Don't max out your card. Don't chase rewards early. Don't apply for too many cards at once. And never miss a payment. Simple habits beat clever tricks. Credit cards can be powerful tools if you respect them. Used correctly, they build credit, unlock opportunities, and cost you nothing. Are you getting your first credit card this year? Tell me in the comments. Like, subscribe, and watch our next video. How credit cards actually work, simple explanation.